Everyone, is Anthony James. We're here somewhere in Florida. I don't even know where we are, but we're at this luxury home that has a porcelain tile that has some damage to it. So we're gonna restore it and bring it back to its natural high shine luster. So you see here in the corner, you see that tile right there? It doesn't have the shine. Someone sanded it, try to repair it, but it wasn't done properly. So I'm gonna come in and sand it again and bring it back to its natural finish. So you see here, also, it's sanded. They weren't able to bring it back to a shine. This one also, and we're gonna bring it back to factory finish. I'm gonna do the same process on all of the tiles, which is 400, 800, 1500, 3000, and then shield at the end to finalize the high shine. Okay, so we did all of the diamonds, and you see that it doesn't have a shine like a factory finish, but it has, I guess, some kind of finish. So now we're gonna use shield and bring it up to that factory finish. So I want to show you, I already finished this tile here, but I want to show you before the light goes away, because natural light is the best. But you see, it already has factory finish. Factory finish. Look at that. Now we gotta do this one over here. All right, this one is after 800. That's after 800. I already finished grinding and polishing this tile. Remember, this is the tile that was damaged. Now it looks brand new again. I already finished sanding and polishing the porcelain tile. See, that's the light from the ceiling. You can see it reflecting on the floor. So that tile, this tile here, I polished. This one here also I polished. You see, has a factory finish. This one also factory finish, and then this corner over here also, there we go, factory finish. And that's it. Another job well done.